Hey guys, it's Beth and welcome. And today I just wanted to jump on real quick to share with you the 12 by 12 pad project I'm going to be working on in July. I have decided that it's going to be Christmas in July on my channel, and so all of the projects that I share except for my Scrapping for Less design team projects will be Christmas themed. And I am actually going back to a pad I had started like right before Christmas, this past Christmas. And it's the Hope and Faith pad from Craft Smart at Michael's. And I know there were a bunch of you who were hoping I could get to this pad before Christmas, and I'm sorry that I didn't. And I thank you for your patience on waiting me to have a chance to get back to it. But I feel like I've had enough break from Christmas stuff that I can come back and throw myself into this pad. So I've done a flip through once before, so I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time talking about the paper. And I have already made a few projects in this playlist, and I will link those in the description box below. And it was basically some ornaments and a block set, like a holiday block set that was, related to more of a Christian theme instead of just a cute Christmassy theme. So this is the pad I'm going to be working with, and I had found, maybe right after Christmas, these stickers from Hobby Lobby, and they're like the clear backed stickers, so they're not my favorite, but still they were more of a nativity type theme. And then in one of my last Echo Park boxes, I got this stencil, which is Navigational Star stencil, and I also got these Wise Men Still Seek Him enamel dots, or not enamel dots, enamel shapes, which, the colors go really well with these. And then in March, I think it was, they had a 50% off sale, like site-wide for Echo Park. And so I picked up the Wise Men Still Seek Him stamp set so that I could also have some stamps that coordinated really well with this. So going back to, I was trying to remember some of the projects that I had wanted to make with this pad. And cards, obviously, there are a lot. I say a lot because there's maybe 6 patterns in here that have like a 12 by 12, full 12 by 12 page orientation. And so, like, here's another one. And so some of them I can cut up, but some of them like this, I might end up trying my hand at some gift bags, like some larger gift bags. Here's another one. So what is that, 4 already? 5. And I know there's at least one more. Well, there's 6, but that one could be broken up pretty easily. These would make kind of cute cut-aparts, I think. And 6. And then there's like some 6x6 ones and some larger ones as well. So I think I'm going to try some gift bags for sure, like the larger ones using the full 12 by 12 sheets. I may practice with some smaller ones to use up, where did it go? Maybe one or two of these. Or I might be able to do, like a smaller kind of treat holder of some sort. Now something like this I can easily cut into smaller chunks and still use. But then I may just do some other like stocking stuffer type projects. Maybe a journal. I don't know if I really feel a journal with this one or not. But then probably a lot of cards, because there are a lot of good, I know I keep flipping through this. Geez, where did it go? Now see, here's a bigger one too. But there are some like good smaller cut aparts that would make some like really fun cards. So this is what I'm going to be working with, and like I said, there's other, like all the other projects that I'm working on, like for the different collaborations, will most likely be Christmas themed as well. So hopefully you guys don't get sick of Christmas in July, because you're going to be seeing a lot this coming month. But so if you guys have any additional ideas for this one, let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to kind of go with the list I have. And I'm going to try and reference back to my video when I showed this the first time around in December and see what you guys said for that as well. And like I said, those of you who had, were wanting to see this in the, before Christmas, thanks for your patience as I get back to it. But that's what I'm going to be working on. If you'd love to join me for Christmas in July, then pull out some Christmas pads and start crafting along with me. But that's it. That's all I have for you guys today. So thanks so much for your time, and I hope you're all having a crafty day.